Hello, and this is a tutorial for Lego Puzzle Box, and I don't remember what the name was. It's in the title. So you need a 8x8 base plate, and on the two downwards lines with studs, you wanna put smooth pieces to right here. You see. And then one stud line 3, and if you see bullet 2 here and 4x6 here. Yep, and then you put 6x1 piece here in the upper here, and 4x1 smooth, and 1x1 smooth, and you place 1x1 smooth here. Yeah, okay. Now we got that, and here you will put a 1x1 with 1x1 piece, 1x1 brick, and a 1x1 smooth. Doesn't need to be a hole in it. It's like that. Yep. And here put a 1x4 with a 2x1 smooth here, and a 2x1 smooth. Oh, 2x1 with studs here, and a 4x1 brick here. Little piece here, 6x4, smooth pieces in the middle, 6x3, 3x2 here, smooth, and a 1x2 piece there. And let me put a smooth piece here and a smooth piece here, I think. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. And here you'll put 2x4, 2x2 with a smooth 1x2 here. And then 3x1 and two 1x1 pieces and a 1x1 smooth. 1x1 smooth. Does that okay? And back here for the key, two mini couches, I call them. Put it like that, and here 1x1, 1x2 brick, and 1x1 piece and 1x1 smooth, and then 3x1, maybe 3x1 flat, and then 3x1 2x1 smooth here. There you go, and 1x1 with a 1x1 smooth on top. You put here, and here you wanna put a 2x2 actually, and then 2x2 smooth on top. And you take 3x1, 1x2, 1x2, and 1x2 smooth. And here are 3x1 on top here. Under here are 1x2, a 1x2 smooth, 1x1, 1x1 smooth. Will look something like this. Pause if you don't get it. Then place it here. This is the piece that will slide up and down. Okay. So, and let's take this piece. 3x2 with a 1x1 smooth, 2x1 piece here, and 1x1 here. If you can see, and then you take this kind of corner piece and you put 1x1 smooth, 2x1 smooth, and 2x1 smooth again here. So you can okay. So you can hold it. well, I think, yeah, one by two and two 3x1s on top of each other, and then one by two, one by two, and one by one smooth. Then put it like this, and you will put smooth piece on top here, which hold them together. That piece will go here, I think, yeah. Then take one 3x1, 1x1, 2x1, and a 2x2, like this. And then you put 4x1, and here a 1x1 smooth, and a 1x1 and a 1x1 smooth. You can see, yeah, hope so. Then you put piece like this, and place it on top here. Can you see? 3x1, 2x1, 2x1. So it will be like this. This piece goes in here. This is bad lighting. No, this was better, I think. Okay, so back here, 6x1 with a 1x1 here, 2x1, 4x1 and a 1x1 under here, since it's a smooth piece there. Then 6x1 black and a 1x1 smooth here. Here 6x1 and 6x1 here, red, 6x1 and 1x2. You can have a 8x1 if you on top of it. Okay. Well, yeah, there's a 6x1, 1x1 under here, under third, and then a 1x3, and a 1x4. Place it like this. Okay, this was part 1. I will look at part 2. Bye.